Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the last class we started the examples related with the sphere and I gave one question as a homework. See that homework question. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of half centimeter. See the radius of an air bubble is increasing. If only centimeter is given, radius is given. Centimeter per second means dr upon dt is given. At what rate is the volume of the bubble is increasing? Is increasing means with respect to change, that is dV by dt when the radius is 1 centimeter. So here let R be the radius and V be the volume of the air bubble. So dr upon dt is given as what? Half centimeter per second. At what rate is the volume of the bubble? dV upon dt question mark when R is equal to 1 centimeter. So have you remembered the formula? We have volume V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. dV upon dt is question mark means differentiate both the sides with respect to t. 3 get cancels. dV upon dt we have to calculate 4 as it is, pi as it is, r square centimeter 1 square and dr upon dt is 1 by 2. So final answer is 2 pi. You know how to write the unit. Volume is measured in terms of cubic centimeter per. Time is in the denominator, that's why we are writing per. The time is measured in terms of second. So this is the answer. Now I am giving you the questions related with rectangle. Before that, write down the formula. See now related with the rectangle, see the formula. Already you are familiar with rectangle. This is a figure for rectangle. Let x be the length, x be the length and y be the width of the rectangle. Then in the area, what is the area of the rectangle? Area A is equal to length into breadth and perimeter P is equal to, perimeter means we have to add all the four sides. Perimeter P is equal to 2x plus 2y. So these are the formula related with rectangle, you have to remember. Now I am moving to the example related with rectangle. See, moving to the example, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. See, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of, first one is perimeter and the next one is area of the rectangle. See, already I gave the formula for that. Let us take the length of the rectangle is x. Let x be the length and y be the width of the rectangle. And if you read the question slowly, the question itself gives you so many values, so many hints. See, the length x of a rectangle, only centimeter is given means the length is given like this. But here centimeter per minute means dx upon dt is given. But it is decreasing, so take negative, minus 5 centimeter per minute. And dy upon dt is increasing, that is width is increasing, write it a positive. 4 centimeter per minute when x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. The question is find the rate of change of the perimeter. Let P be the perimeter. P be the perimeter. That means P is equal to 2x plus 2y. Differentiate with respect to t because dp upon dt. Find the rate of change. 2 into dx upon dt plus 2 into dy upon dt. 2 as it is. Dx upon dt is minus 5 plus 4 dy upon 2 into dy upon dt is 4 minus 10 plus 8 that is minus 2. Perimeter is in centimeter per minute. Understood? Next, area A. Let A be the area because we have to find the rate of change of area also. Let A be the area. Have you remembered the area formula? Area of a rectangle is A is equal to length into breadth. Now differentiating with respect to t, we have to apply u into v. X into dy upon dt plus y into dx upon dt. We are familiar with both the values. Write on that values. That is x is 8. Dy upon dt is 4 plus y is 6. This is minus 5. That is 2 and area is calculated in centimeter square per minute because it is rate of change. It is rate of change. Now I am giving you one similar example as a homework. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. 3 centimeter per minute and the width y is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. This sum is a homework sum.